Can you guess what this is? This is one of the first upgrades to the van. As you guessed, shower mat. You are right. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the mods that I've done on the Revel. I do want to thank the Revel Owners Facebook group. It's really good, and literally all these ideas came from them. If you're a Revel owner or thinking about one, join the group. You will learn so much. And there are kind of two things I need to tell you. Is I edited so you won't see any butt crack of mine, and then I lost audio for the latter half of this. Ironically, I'm a professional filmmaker, so how embarrassing. So, I think I need to do it, but at the first corner. For my next mod, I got this quilt off of Amazon, and I saw this as well on the Facebook group. I'm going to use these very sticky, strong magnets and some stickers, essentially fabric stickers. So put them here. It comes with a stuff sack, so when I'm not using it, I can just tuck it away nicely. So let's go see if it works. Holy cats, it works. So this one clips there. That one's like the best. There's one that clips through the screen material. At least these two are like the money ones. Alright, mod 3 done. When we had our first snow, I used a car scraper to get the van covered with snow, and it was terrible. I could literally only get a little side of it, so I bought this collapsible snow rake ice remover, and it worked on our very next snow that we got in the van. So I'd recommend it. Folds at a really small size, comes with a little Ziploc bag, easy to put away, way better than a car one. I have two little kids, so I ordered the Cabbunk system from England. Again, it was a recommendation I saw on the Facebook group. It installed really easily, very simply to install, pretty sturdy. There was no issues with my little guy jumping up and down on it. So we're going to try it on our first camping trip in a couple weeks, and I'll give you a report then on how it works. But so far, so good. I've seen the GLS system. I want one. I think they're so cool, but they're a bit expensive. I have a Campshelves that I've already used for my pop top. And it's held up really well. It has some abuse, but it's been great. And these things are awesome because they come with a lot of storage. These storage pockets, these bags come with the unit, and you can keep all your stuff in there. It works great. I bought these pipe fitting pieces. I got 5 of them. I did 2 on the front, 1 on the bottom, and 1 on the top. And it's sturdy and it's lightweight, easy to just throw in to the van. I velcroed the top cushion. All this I got on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description. Velcroed the top cushion to the tables, and it worked great. And here's me telling you how awesome it is. I did just use little bungees to get them down, and it seems to work fine. And then I have now tons more storage, and it's in there pretty secure. So I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Again, links in the description if you want to buy any of this stuff. And again, sorry for the crappy